Every year, we dump over 400 million tons of plastic into the world. Most of it sticks around for centuries, choking oceans, polluting soil, and even sneaking into our food chain. But what if nature could clean up our mess for us? Scientists have discovered bacteria that actually eat plastic and turn it into energy. This could change everything. Meet Ideonella sakiensis, a tiny bacterium discovered in Japan back in 2016. It produces special enzymes that break down PET plastic, the stuff in water bottles and food containers. The enzymes slice the plastic into simple molecules, which the bacteria then use as food, basically turning plastic into a snack and energy source. Imagine bacteria eating plastic sandwiches for lunch. Now, researchers are engineering these microbes to work even faster, survive in tougher environments, and scale up for industrial use. Picture waste treatment plants powered by living bacteria, quietly digesting what we throw away. In the future, we could have biorecycling stations in cities and shipping ports, with bacteria doing the heavy lifting and transforming our trash into something useful. It's the start of a circular bioeconomy, where plastic doesn't poison the planet, it actually helps fuel its own cleanup. From oceans to high-tech labs, these microscopic organisms might be our best hope in fighting the plastic crisis. It's nature, reprogrammed to fix what we broke. Comment and subscribe if you believe science and nature can work together to save the Earth. And let me know, would you trust bacteria to handle your trash, or do you think humans still need stricter limits on plastic use? Tell me in the comments.